So we have heard that girls don't forget and boys don't remember. ये सही है.
What does that even mean? Like, what is wrong with us?
Respect others.
डिपेंड करता है ना सिचुएशन पे.
Being a man is supposed to be a good thing, but then being a man can also be a bad thing.
दोस्तों वेलकम टू द मोस्ट एंटरटेनिंग शो ऑन यूट्यूब स्ट्रीट फ्लिक्स और मैं आपका होस्ट अविन लेके आ गया मेन विल बी मेन का एक और एपिसोड. पिछले बार की तरह इस बार भी हमने क्वेश्चंस रखी है, तो चलिए आंसर्स पता करते हैं. वीडियो देखिए. Okay, so we have heard that everywhere it's like be a man. So world is full of guys, like be a man. So according to you, what is be a man?
You mean to say what should be the qualities of being a man actually?
No, actually, by this word be a man, what do you understand?
मतलब
मर्द.
जो गर्ल्स की रिस्पेक्ट करे उसे मेरे हिसाब से तो उसे ही बोलते हैं बी ए मैन.
Maybe have an attitude like man, not cry and shit and stuff like that. Walk like a man and like not talk like girls.
ब्रेव रिस्पॉन्सिबल होना चाहिए.
Personality is the main factor. Characteristics you should possess if you want to consider yourself a true man. I would say respect others.
I think being a man is a social construct because people attribute certain qualities to men, and so they think that being strong or being competitive or being a leader is equivalent to being a man, which I think is complete and utter rubbish because a woman can be all those things, just the same competency and in her own way and in her own right.
I mean, by the sense of the word, she's being a man by talking so much and taking all the attributes of a man. So
Sorry, not sorry, man.
Be a man is like not supporting feminism.
डिपेंड करता है ना सिचुएशन पे.
सिचुएशन मतलब अभी
अब बंदा किसके साथ है किसके साथ नहीं है, और इन केस अगर बंदी के साथ है या किसी के भी साथ है, उसको ये बात तो समझना चाहिए. आगे बढ़कर उसको एक क्या बोले समझदारी वाला रिस्पॉन्स देना चाहिए. ही शुड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल इनफ. या
साथ में कोई लड़की हो तो उसको प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहिए, उसको सिक्योर रखना चाहिए.
So I think that's the basic foundation of any individual. Respect other beings.
Along with respect others, all you can do is be a good human and try not to harm anybody or hurt anybody.
Be a man means you have enough guts to say the truth.
Be a man, what she is saying, like humanity, mankind, love for mankind, helpful friendliness for mankind. Another be a man means a man has some special characters than women. They both are different, right? They do have different characters. They do have different features. बहुत लाइक मर्द ऐसे भी होते हैं, मतलब कि हाथ उठाना, ऑब्सेसिव वगैरह वगैरह, ये सब बिल्कुल ना करें, एकदम नहीं. बिकॉज उससे बैड इंप्रेशन पड़ता है हम लोग के ऊपर, एंड वी ऑल्सो डोंट वांट टू टॉक टू देम इन दैट वे.
Yeah, you can be rough and tough without hurting people or without harming anybody, right? Like you can be a gentleman.
आपने ड्रिंक कर लिया, बहुत अच्छी बात है. अगर आपने ड्रिंक किया है कोई बात नहीं, आज सब करते हैं, लेकिन उसको कंट्रोल रखना चाहिए.
दूसरों को क्यों harm?
दूसरों के बजाय गर्ल्स को अगर हार्म करते तो फिर वो मर्दानगी थोड़ी हुई.
being a man is supposed to be a good thing, but then being a man can also be a bad thing because like it only takes into account the good qualities that a man is attributed with.
They're asking you to not support feminism. They don't support women equality. They don't support women empowerment. That's all.
So they just want their empire to be.
Their empowerment, their dominance, their conquering. That's it.
मतलब जिम्मेदारी लेना चाहिए.
जिम्मेदारी यही अच्छी.
Like nobody should have any qualities. Everybody is different, right? Regardless of their gender.
From person to person.
Exactly, not from gender to gender.
You don't need to be a Hulk every time.
No, that's not good. We have heard this that boys don't remember and girls don't forget.
अच्छा.
Is it true according to you?
In many cases, yeah, it's true, but in many cases, no, it's not true. It is true.
It's totally very upon human to human.
कुछ केसेस में ट्रू है.
It's true. We have a scientific reason for that because
बॉयज़ के ऊपर बहुत जिम्मेदारी रहता है, फैमिली रहता है, तो मतलब फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचते हैं, तो वो लोग अपने प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में बिजी हो जाते हैं.
Like maybe after a one night stand, the guy won't even remember the girl who he slept with. The girl will, and he might stalk her also, stalk him also.
Well, I don't. Firstly, this is a wrong notion. In fact, in my case, my fiance remembers more than I do.
I think it's really funny that we're attributing basic memory to gender and generalizing the fact that incidents happen to everyone and that what was it again? Could you repeat it?
ना भाई, I remember, she forgets.
Yes, we have seen boys who do remember and girls who do forget.
Okay.
I mean, you can't, as I said, like every individual is different. It's not the genders. The only thing that's different about the genders is biological. Apart from that, yeah.
Guys even remember.
Guys can remember, girls can forget.
I mean, yeah.
Yes, women don't forget, but yes, they forgive. So that is more important.
लेकिन कुछ केसेस में रिवर्स भी हो सकता
रिवर्स भी हो सकता है, वो पर्सन टू पर्सन डिपेंड करता है.
Depends, right? Girls are sometimes emotional, sometimes girls are pretty strong also, right? And then guys, some emotional guys, they can be douchebags and they can say, you know, I remember the girl did this, and you know, take a revenge. So it all depends on the mindset of the person that the guy is holding or the girl is holding, right?
Basically, boys are more carefree. They don't care about anything. But girls are like, they don't remember anything. But girls remember the day, the time, the moment, the place, everything, even their clothes, what they were wearing.
Forgiveness is something that a woman should always have.
Yeah, I agree with her. Sure, I have nothing to say.
तो दोस्तों उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वाला एपिसोड अच्छा लगा हो. अगर आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं इस एपिसोड के बारे में तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स पे कमेंट कीजिए. अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए हमारे चैनल को.
Hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. And never miss to say what's up. The real sense of being a man is accepting responsibility. So be a responsible person and keep watching our videos responsibly. Keep loving us and keep streaming. What's up?